Hello, I wanted to come on personally to talk to you about the change in schedule that I've designated for the term. What I'd like to let you know is that there are quite a few students who have reached out to me with needs on recording, and this is the first time I've had a class that didn't have students who've done any kind of recorded speeches before, any kind of recording in any way. So I want to allow additional time for that. So that's why we're doing the meetings in my office. And I'd like you to get started on the recording because some of you who think you might be able to do it without any problem may run into difficulties, and the meetings are there for you as well. Also, if you have an assignment that you don't understand that's missing, or just any questions, you can certainly make an appointment in those designated times I laid out to you. I know that many of you are not communications, journalism, or public relations majors, but we have sort of a performance aspect to our courses, and this type of a workshop setting where you get help is commonplace. So I want to let you know that if you are fully capable to record your speech on your own and you have no problem with it, you don't have to meet with me. But should you have a problem, I want that time available for all of the students in the class, and we have a nice large class, so that's why I was glad to see we finished up the persuasive speeches and we could move into the workshop type of course for the rest of the term. If you begin the final and you have a problem with it, you can also come to see me. So this is time for us to work together. Even if you don't have an appointment on one of those days, just stop by the office. I'm sure I can help you. And also be sure you do the course evaluation when they send that information to you. And I am here to help. And those of you who did your speeches and did not get your evaluation sheets, please stop by my office on those dates and times that we listed, which would be the 3rd, the 8th, the 15th, and I will be out on the 10th of April, as I said, because I'm presenting at a conference. So I'm still right here, very close to where we meet in my office, James 38 in the basement, and I'm here to help you. Please reach out if you need help as you begin the recording project. I'm happy to even have you recorded at my office if needed. I'm just doing this to help you, and since many of you did request help, I wanted to make that time available to you. I hope you have a great day. Feel free to reach out if I can help you. Thank you. Bye.